Hello guys, I am Anshu and I studied from Physics Wala this year and I am scoring around 580 marks in my NEET exam. It is due to some of my blunted mistakes because of which I am scoring below 600 marks. One of the mistakes I did is that I completely ignored NCERT books. So in this video, I will be telling you that why you should read your NCERT bio book by heart. So let's begin with bio. Question 1. Which hormone promote internode या petiole elongation in the water rice? Option GA3 ethylene kinetin 2,4-D. In NCERT it is clearly mentioned that ethylene promote rapid internode petiole elongation in the water rice plant. Second question is assertion reason. Assertion. ATP is used at 2 steps in glycolysis. So it is written on page number 2 to 9 of class 11th NCERT. Yes, ATP is utilized at 2 steps. So assertion is correct. Reason. First ATP is used in converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate and second ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Here it is written, yes, first it is in the conversion of glucose into glucose 6-phosphate and second in the conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So both are correct. As it is line उठाइए आंसर 3. Again assertion and reason. Assertion. Lead wood has fewer valence elements with narrow vessels. Yeah, it is written here. The chemium is less active and form fewer valence elements that have narrow vessels. So it is assertion is correct. And reason says that chemium is less active in minter. So yeah, it is written in minter the chemium is less active. Question 4. The reaction center in pH2 has an absorption maximum at. So here it is written in class 11th NCERT page number 211. The pH2 has an absorption maximum at 680 nanometer. Question number 5. Family Fabaceae differ from Solanaceae and Liliaceae with respect to stem and pick out of the characteristic specific family Fabaceae but not found in Solanaceae or Liliaceae. So here it is written on page in morphology on page number 79. Diadelphous and dithecous specific characteristics. Question number 6. Assertion. The first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Yeah, it is written here. The first stage is the protonema stage. Class 11th NCERT page number 36. Reason. प्रोटोनिमा डेवलप डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द स्पोर या ये भी लिखा है यहाँ पे कि प्रोटोनिमा डेवलप्स डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम अ स्पोर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. एक्साइल प्रेजेंटेशन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन. सो द ऑप्शंस एज इट इज ऑप्शंस आर रिटन इन क्लास 11th पेज नंबर 75. एक्साइल प्लेसेंटीन 108. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. In tissue culture experiment, leaf mesophyll cells are put in a culture medium to form callus. This is known as. So ये इनडायरेक्टली आंसर लिखा है यहाँ पे एनसीईआरटी में पेज नंबर 245 डी डिफरेंशिएशन के अंडर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ऑफ बायो. Frequency of recombination between gene pair on same chromosome as a measure of distance between genes to map their position on chromosome was used for the first time by. So it is written in genetics in 83 page number 83 class 12. Alfred Student used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of distance between genes. 10th question in bio. Spraying of which of the following phytohormone on juvenile conifer help in hastening the maturity period that lead to early seed production? Option gibberellic acid, indole, zeatin, abscisic acid. So it's written in page number 249 in 11th NCERT. Spraying juvenile conifer with gibberellic acid has a maturity period. So 11th question is large colorful fragment flowers with nectar are seen in insect, bird, bat, wind. So it is clearly mentioned here that majority of insect pollinated flowers are large colorful fragment and rich in nectar. So 12th question in bio. How many ATP NADH2 are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? 12 ATP 12. So here it is written in bio. 18 ATP and 12 NADPH are required. Question 13. Which of the following stages of meiosis involve division of centromere? Anaphase 2, metaphase 1, telophase 2. So here it is written. We begin with the simultaneous splitting of the centromere of each anaphase 2. 14th question of bio. Which micronutrient is required for the splitting of water molecule during photosynthesis? Manganese, magnesium, molybdenum, copper. It is given that under manganese that is used in the splitting of water. Question 15. During the purification process for recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitate out RNA DNA polyhistone. NCERT clearly mentioned it is that DNA ultimately precipitate out after the addition of chilled ethanol. Question section of bio. What is the role of RNA polymerase 3 in process of transcription in eukaryote? Transcription of tRNA, 5S RNA and snRNA. As it is line in NCERT, RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for transcription of tRNA, 5S and snRNA. Question 17 in bio. Cellulose does not form blue color with iodine because. It does not contain complex helices and cannot hold iodine molecules. It is written in NCERT, cellulose does not contain complex helices and hence cannot hold atom molecules. Question number 18. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophyte among the following. Flagellanus salvinia. It is written, gender like Flagellanus salvinia which produce two kinds of spores are known as heterosporous. Question is, express sequence tags refers to all genes that are expressed as RNA. Here it is written, all the genes that are expressed as RNA are referred to as ESTs. Next question is, detritivores perform fragmentation. Yes, in NCERT it is written, detritivores break down data into small particles. This is known as fragmentation. Next statement, the humus is further degraded by some microbe during mineralization. Yes, humus is further degraded by some microbe and release of phenol by is known as mineralization. Next statement, water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called leaching. Yes, this statement is also there. By a process of leaching, water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated. This statement is also written in NCERT, you can check it out. I'm just telling you, don't judge me on the basis that whether which is correct or which is not. I'm just telling you that the examiner have taken the questions as it is from the NCERT lines. For example, next question is the Abel quartet. Which one is considered the most important cause driving extinction of species? Here it is written in NCERT, in Abel quartet. This is the most important cause driving animals and plants to extinction. Habitat loss. The question is, the phenomena of pleiotropism refers to a single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expression. In NCERT as it is lines. A single gene can exhibit multiple phenotypic expression. Such a gene is called a pleiotropic gene. Next question is, among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in M phase, S phase, G1, G2. So in NCERT it is written, even as for synthesis phase marks the period during which DNA synthesis or replication takes place. Question is, upon exposure to UV radiation, DNA stained with ethidium bromide will show bright orange color. So here it is written, you can see bright orange colored bands of DNA in a ethidium bromide stained gel exposed to UV light. Next question is, historic convention on biological diversity. The Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro in the year, so as it is lines, the historic convention on biological diversity, the Earth Summit held in 1992. Next question is, in the equation GPP minus R equal to NPP, we have to tell the value of R. What is R represents here? Respiratory losses. In NCERT as it is, GPP minus R equal to NPP, R is respiratory losses. Next question is, unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material was first proposed by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. The unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material came from the experiment of Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Ditto lines. Next question is, the thickness of the ozone in a column of air in the atmosphere is measured in terms of Dobson units. Exact lines are there in NCERT. The thickness of the ozone in a column of air from the ground to the top of the atmosphere is measured in terms of Dobson unit. Next question is, endark and exarch are the terms often used for describing the position of secondary cell in plant body. You can see this in this para, endark and exarch. Indirectly you can check out the answer here. Next question, movement and accumulation of ions across a membrane against their concentration gradient can be explained by. This is the most basic question and its answer can be seen in active transport para. Against a concentration gradient, it is active transport. Next question is statement 1. The force generated by transpiration can lift a xylem-sized column of water over 130 meters height. Yeah, here it is written that xylem-sized column of over 130 meters height. Statement 2. Transpiration cools leaf surfaces sometimes 10 to 15 degrees by evaporative cooling. This statement is also written. Question is, in gene gun method used to introduce alien DNA into host cells, microparticles of which metal are used? So tungsten gold, as it is lines in NCERT are given that in ballistic or gene gun, microparticles of gold or tungsten are used in ballistic gene gun. Next question is, in angiosperm the haploid, diploid and triploid structure of a fertilized embryo sac sequentially are. So it is written in NCERT, primary endosperm nucleus is triploid, zygote is diploid and synergids is written on the back page as a haploid structure. Next question is, what is the function of test cells in the corn cob? To trap pollen grains. here it is written that corn cob, the tassels you see are nothing but the stigma style which wave in the wind to trap pollen grains. इस बार एनटीए ने बहुत minute लाइन से भी क्वेश्चन उठाए हैं एनसीईआरटी के. So you have to read NCERT book thoroughly. Question is match the column. Iron, activator of catalase. So in NCERT under iron you can see that it activates catalase enzyme. And next, zinc, synthesis of oxygen. So here it is written in zinc that synthesis of oxygen is done by oxygen, zinc. And boron, cell elongation and differentiation. In boron you can see that cell elongation and differentiation. And then the next is molybdenum, that is responsible for as a component of nitrate reductase. So here it is written in molybdenum that including nitrogenase and nitrate reductase participate. Next question is, which one of the following statement is not correct? ये as it is statements you can see in NCERT in environmental and issue chapter. First statement is the microorganism involved in biodegradation of organic matter in a sewage polluted water body consume lot of oxygen causing the death of aquatic organism. As it is lines, here it is microorganism involved in biodegradation of organic matter. So you can check it out easily, these statements and on this portion. Next question is match the column. So this question came from this table. We have to match plus minus and mutualism to plus minus and all this plus 0 plus minus. So you can check it out. Question, assertion and reason. In gymnosperm the pollen grain are released from the microsporangium and carried by air current and reason is also there. मैंने ये क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिया था तभी क्रॉस लगा है यहाँ पे. इन अंडर द जिम्नोस्पर्म यू कैन चेक इट आउट. Here it is written the pollen grains are released from microsporangium and they are carried by air current. Okay, as it is lines. Next question is match the column. In glycolysis EMP pathway, as it is in NCERT it is written under glycolysis के अंदर. Glycolysis is referred to as EMP pathway. Next is tricarboxylic acid cycle. So it is known as citrate synthase, means it's catalyzed by citrate. Here it is written tricarboxylic acid cycle citrate synthase, and the rest you can check it out as it is. Question is first statement, lenticel are lens shape opening. तो यहाँ ये लिखा हुआ है कि lens shape opening lenticels. And second, bark from early in the season is called hard bark. So you can check this under the bark, soft bark and hard bark. Third statement, bark is a technical term that refer to all tissue exterior to vascular cambium. तो ये भी bark के अंदर लिखा है, नॉन टेक्निकल टर्म होती है. So phalogen is a single layer in thickness. तो ये यहाँ लिखा है कि phalogen is a couple of layer thick. So as it is lines NCERT की हैं बिल्कुल. Question is, main step in the formation of recombinant DNA are given below. Arrange these steps in a correct sequence. So we have to arrange these sequences in a correct sequence. Arrange insertion of recombinant DNA, cutting of DNA, isolation. So all the sequences are given on this page. First we do isolation, fragmentation, restriction. So you can see. Next question is match the column. हमें इनके रिस्पेक्टिव टर्म्स के साथ मैच कराना. कोएशन, म्यूचुअल अट्रैक्शन अमंग वाटर. तो यहाँ ये लिखा है कोएशन, म्यूचुअल अट्रैक्शन अमंग वाटर. Adhesion, attraction toward polar surface. यहाँ लिखा है adhesion, attraction of water molecule to polar surfaces. Surface tension, more attraction liquid phase. यहाँ लिखा है surface tension, more attraction of water molecule to liquid phase के अंदर. Next question is, which of the following statement are correct about Klinefelter syndrome? So the first statement, this disorder first described by Langdon Down. तो ये डाउन सिंड्रोम की स्टेटमेंट है कि this disorder was first described by Langdon Down. Such an individual has overall masculine development. तो यहाँ ये लिखा है कि such an individual has overall masculine development. तो उन्होंने as it is लाइन उठा के रख दी है यहाँ पे, उन्होंने phrases भी चेंज नहीं किए उसके. Such individuals are sterile, ये यहाँ लिखा such individuals are sterile. अब तुम देख लो NCERT कितनी important है. Question, how many different protein does the ribosome consist of? 80. यहाँ NCERT में यहाँ आराम से लिखा है ribosome consists of structural RNA and about 80 different proteins. Next question is match the column. M phase equational division. यहाँ ये लिखा M phase equational division. G2 phase protein synthesis quiescent stage inactive phase. यहाँ ये लिखा quiescent stage as a inactive stage. G1 phase as the interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. ये आज it is lines पीछे लिखे यहाँ पे G1 interval between mitosis and DNA as it is lines बताएंगे. क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर केमियोस्मोसिस, मेम्ब्रेन, प्रोटॉन पंप, प्रोटॉन ग्रेडियंट, एटीपी सिंथेस। यहाँ एज इट इज यहाँ लिखा है केमियोस्मोसिस रिक्वायर अ मेम्ब्रेन, प्रोटॉन पंप, प्रोटॉन gradient and ATP synthase. Next question is malonate inhibit the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of succinic dearginase. Here it is written in NCERT. Inhibition of succinic dearginase by malonate is used as control of pathogens. Next question, assertion and reason. Assertion: a flower is modified is defined as modified shoot wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to floral meristem. उन्होंने एकदम एज इट इज लाइन उठाई, अ फ्लावर इज मॉडिफाइड शूट वेर इन द शूट एपिकल मेरिस्टम चेंजेस टू फ्लोरल मेरिस्टम. रीजन: इंटरनोड ऑफ द शूट गेट कंडेंस टू प्रोड्यूस डिफरेंट फ्लोरल अपेंडेज लेटरली एक्सेस नोड इंस्टेड ऑफ लीव्स. ये भी एज इट इज लाइन प्रोड्यूसेस डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फ्लोरल अपेंडेज लेटरली एट सक्सेसिव नोड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मैं ये वाला स्टेटमेंट पढ़ूंगा, तुम ये वाली लाइन पढ़ना, ये वाली इस पैरा की. Gauss's competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for the same resource cannot coexist indefinitely, and competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually. तो both statement exact same है, उन्होंने phrase तक change नहीं किया है इसका. Statement 2, in general carnivore are more adversely affected by competition than herbivore. यहाँ लिखा in general herbivores and plants are more adversely affected by competition than carnivore. अब तुम्हें रीज़न पता लग रहा होगा एनसीईआरटी को बाइबल क्यों कहते हैं.